Okay, this is going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to show you a little trick. So these Dewalt shelves, the wire shelves, they tell you to put it on and then use a flathead to get it over the wire. But for me, that wasn't working as well as this other technique that I'm using. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put it on the wire first and go over. The first one was easier because this is the last one. This is going to be the hardest one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on the wire just like that, and then come in instead of using that hole, I just come in from the side here. I've got a little cat's claw like that, and I'm just going to pry it over the yellow Dewalt body and pull out the cat's claw. And now it is hooked on just like that. And that was, for me, that was a lot easier than the way that Dewalt was recommending. So if you're stuck, I hope that helps you.